Okay, so today is the twins, bros.
Okay, Sissy, move.
Sissy, move.
Our
So
makeup.
we have our makeups. So first we have this one. What is it called, sister?
It's
The makeup videos.
and the brush, the beautiful one.
We have some. These we don't know.
And pretty nail polish.
Some lip glosses, some pink ones.
Oh, these are for your cheeks.
Yeah. If you're scared. Okay, we're just gonna move these on the side.
Move it on the side. And now we're gonna get started.
Okay, first, we're gonna do our own makeup. So I'll choose these.
And I would choose.
So we have the blush and what is this called, sister? I forgot. The beauty package.
foundation.
Yeah, foundation. And it also has a mirror.
The nail polish, but not.
It has a mirror.
And I'll just do the pom-pom.
Yeah, okay, nail polish. 10,000 hours and 10,000
I
lights.
think that's right what Lala said.
Oh, yeah. Just okay, she just popped a joke.
But what if she's right? Guys, I'm just gonna do my nails and the foundation. This is just face. This is just squishy.
No, it's not. It's foundation, sister. You're dumb.
You're dumb.
You're dumb.
You're dumber.
Okay.
This is just
Sorry
squishy.
that we said that.
See, guys, this is squishy.
Squishy foundation.
Yeah. Raise up. Wow. We're just gonna use lip gloss and the nail polish.
Mm-hmm.
Sissy.
Add some pink, sister.
No, thank you. I'm just gonna put on lip gloss.
Is my lip pink?
Yeah.
I couldn't tell. Alright, I'm gonna do the nail polish. I
Hey,
just have to
love.
guess the color. It's pretty cool. Right, sister?
Yeah.
I might smell like nail polish. But comment down below if you did this before. And remember to click that like button and give this video a big thumbs up. Right, sister?
Yeah.
Yes.
If you like this channel, give us a big, huge thumbs up.
And also, if you like videos, if you like our videos,
You'll see this
That
is kind of
means-
messy.
you also have to watch a video all day. I did my nails already. You guys can't tell. Okay, Sunny. 10,000 hours and 10,000 likes. Okay, this is a squishy to make your nail dry, so you guys have to buy one of these.
Yeah.
It makes your nail dry fast.
Drive faster. Not very fast.
But you have to wait for a little bit. Don't squeeze it. Or
I'm not
just-
gonna put on the red one because it makes kind of ugly. Look at
But-
your lips.
What?
You didn't put some right here.
Is it good now?
Still some. Just put it up. Do like this and put it on. Still more. Okay, that's good. It kind of doesn't show because the camera.
Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, and my nail is dry.
I'll just put one dot.
Really, sister? You're embarrassing yourself in the first video. And